Are you overwhelmed with the upkeep and maintenance of your rental property? Well, finding the best property manager can really help. Hi, I'm Justin Acrossa with Search CT Shoreline at williamraveis, and I'm going to tell you how to find the very best property managers in your area. The first thing you could do is ask for referrals. Talking with people you know and trust, just like your friends, neighbors, local realtors, and of course contractors, is an excellent place to start. Don't just take their recommendations blindly. Make sure to ask questions about the strengths and weaknesses and look for the reviews and mission statements online. In addition to researching their recommendations, you can also search for additional opinions. Websites like allpropertymanager.com and the National Association of Residential Property Managers are a great resource to search for property managers in your area. Some things you'll want to look for a proper license and certification, fees and payment schedules, and check to see if they take care of rental taxes that are due to the city after collecting rent, or if it's your responsibility. Lastly, doing site visits is a great way to evaluate the property management company firsthand. Look for red flags like trash in and around the property, obvious necessary repairs. Also ask to speak with someone, current tenants, and ask questions like, have complaints been addressed? How long have the repairs taken to get done? How is the noise level? Be sure to give me a call anytime. I'm Justin Acrossa with Search CT Shoreline.